Hi, how are you? Let's draw a beautiful hand which is on the air and a butterfly flying on the hand, over the hand actually. Alright, let's draw the hand first. Okay, so you can see the outlines going on, very nice. Okay, and we're going to draw a butterfly here with a purple color. You can see the basic shapes of the butterfly. Mhm. Okay, all right. Colors different. You can see a little bit pink shade on the top with a dots here. All right, and the purple shade you can see here. Mhm. Okay, so all the purple shades you can see here, basic designs of the butterfly. It's here. Now we're going to put some the shades for the hands and the details you can see. Okay. All right, you can see the details here. Okay, now we are going to put the shades. To define the hands nicely. Okay, you can see it's getting visually pleasant. Mhm. Okay, so the color variations is getting nice. All right, now we can use the mechanical lead pencil to emphasize the drawings and the outlines, looking little good. Okay, All right, the other hand you can see here. Mhm. Okay, so this is the drawing. All right, close and in a far distance. Looks good. Looks good. If you like, you can put some, the background of the blue color, so that becomes more lively. Mhm. So the background color blue, things getting lively here. Okay, awesome. So I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.